Dito kami ngayon sa MBK Center, Bangkok, Thailand. Kasama ko ang aking mga anak.
Pride Month.
Happy Pride Month?
You know what Pride is?
I don't know. Explain to me, what is Happy Pride Month?
I also don't know.
So why do they have this one? We should ask to Daisy. So Daisy, you're from here. I want to know, what is this?
Pride Month?
First time I'm seeing this. What is this celebration? Happy Pride Month. Oh, okay, I got it. It's it's for all. Okay. Oh, yun daw yun. Hindi ko na ma-explain ng sobra. Andito kami para kumain. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan dito. Late na ang breakfast, late pa rin ang lunch. So for sure, late din ang dinner.
First copy.
How much? Guys, tignan niyo yung mga bags and wallet dito. Tumitingin kami. Maganda ang quality ng ganitong bag. Ito ang ganito. Sonia, this one is nice. Ito maganda rin ito. How much for this? 1,000? How much? 1,800 baht. Ito guys, so 1,800 baht. Pero maganda siya, oh. Yeah, para siyang original talaga. Ang ganda, oh. That looks like really nice.
Cute, right?
I want to check. It's the same wallet I have. The wallet like this, and how much is this? 800 baht. Yeah, 800 baht for this. Not bad. You want to get it? You can take it. Huh? No, my stomach is empty. Okay, we can share. Yeah, I think we can share. Okay. Nauhaw agad kami.
Not cold, right?
How much the coconut here?
90 baht.
90 baht?
It's
Mahal.
90 baht.
Oh, mahal siya.
But
30 lang yan sa Pilipinas. Paid 90 baht. I'm trying to see the difference of Filipino coconut and the young coconut. But I think the juice is more sweeter here. Maybe. Because I need to justify. You paid 90 rupees. Ah no, 90 baht. So I need to justify that.
It's nice, huh?
Mahal.
Nice, huh?
Oh, it's very nice, but mahal.
expensive, she said.
It's expensive. it's only 30 pesos in Philippines.
And a very touristic.
But this is a tourist area.
It's a tourist area. I know. I'm just saying what's the price here and there. And Indian, maybe even this is cheaper. Maybe 10 rupees, 20 rupees. We're sharing only because we have to eat lunch. Look at those shrimps. Tingnan nyo yung shrimps. Ang lalaki, oh. Jumbo shrimp. Oh, look at the spring rolls. Ang lalaki, oh.
The gas inside, yeah.
What is this? I've seen this in the video.
Show the process.
Yeah.
That car.
Nakita ko na to noon eh. So, eto na ako. So, tignan natin kung paano nila ginagawa yan. Oh, okay. So they freeze it, right? So that it becomes icy. And how much is that? How much? 60. Ayun daw, oh, 60 Coca-Cola. Slushy Coca-Cola. Oh, not bad for 60. Yan. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe I'm seeing this. I used to watch only. Now I'm now seeing this by myself. Ito yung mga prutas nila. Daming ano. Langka, durian. Pumasok kami dito sa loob ng MBK. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan kasi sobrang init sa labas. Masasarap sana yung pagkain sa labas. Ang kaso, ang init. Sobrang init.
It's just the tip of the
Yeah, so I think we need to stay more days. What? Yeah, we have more days, right? Ayan, oh.
Me and today she came here long back. She said we came. We went.
So let's see. This is only first day.
brother wants these shirts.
But what are the prices here? Good? Good price? Dito kami sa food court ng MBK. Dito kami nakarating. Naghahanap kami ng food na kinakain namin sa Dubai. Yung authentic Thai talaga. So, andito kami nakarating. Ito yung dessert nila, oh. Kita nyo, oh. Para lang siyang halo-halo sa atin sa Pinas. Kita nyo yung mga kulay nila. It's like halo-halo na Sonia. But they put coconut, I think, no coconut milk. Tuwa sila dito. Daming pagkain, tapos hindi naman napakamahalan din. Baboy yun. Ito yung in-order. Baboy. Sobrang lambot, oh. Sorry. Nandito pa rin kami sa MBK.
You want?
No, I will not have this. I will have fruits after. You can have. Nasa ground floor na kami. Dito halo-halo ang mga paninda. May prutas. Ayun, may corn din. Sarap, no?
Mom, which fruit is this?
Ito, oh. Bimili kami ng ano, ng pineapple. Ito yung dessert ko ngayon. Yung pinakamiliit niya, oh. Kain tayo ng isa. Ay, masyadong malaki yan. Mahirap uyain. Medyo maliit na. Mm.
Nice?
Mm. Ang sarap. Mm. So, andito pa rin kami guys sa mall. Lumabas lang kami. So, ito na yung bazaar sa labas ng mall. Napakaraming turista dito. Napakarami naman talagang pwedeng bilhin eh. Napakaganda.
So how's your experience been?
Today, first day shopping in MBK. Pagod. Ang daming pinamili. Napakaraming pinamili, mumura, pero may mga mamahalin din. Si Sonia namili ng kanyang pang office work. Si Daisy rin namili. So, non-stop eating. But, you know, I did not feel really tired today. My eyes secretly
Because this is indoors.
yeah, indoors is good for shopping here. Outdoor is more lively, but indoor is more relaxing, you know, so you don't get really tired. Overall, I enjoyed the shopping here in MBK Mall. And that's it for today, guys, for the shopping experience here in MBK.